me too?
Yes, I do. Because I want to see your face. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Okay, we got to talk to the video first before we open it. Come here. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I have my special co-host today. What's your name?
Levi.
Levi. And we're going to do a taste test for you. All of the sisters are gone for the day. They're off doing various things. And it's just me and Levi home. And so we thought we'd take advantage of our special time together by tasting some Carnivore Snax. So Carnivore Snax reached out to me recently and asked if I'd like to taste some of their products. And of course I said yes, because it's meat and salt and I never say no to that. So I have reviewed the Carnivore Crisps before, and honestly, I thought Carnivore Crisps and Carnivore Snax were the same company for a really long time. I'd see like advertisements for both of them and my brain just assumed that they were both the same thing, but they are different. And from what I hear, they taste different, even though they have the same basic ingredients. There's some small differences, and I'm excited to try out the Carnivore Snax. Can you have a happy face now?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So first off, they sent New York strip. Oh my goodness.
Stop silly.
Second of all, they sent pork loin. You know what pork is made out of?
No.
Pig. And third of all, beef sliders. I'm excited about this. Okay, what do you want to try first? The beef sliders?
I see what they
And
look like.
see what they look like. Ooh, hold on. I'll show you.
They look like chips.
They do look like chips. They're like meat chips.
Yeah.
So look at that. It's like ground beef, but made into a chip. Wow. All right, you ready to try this one?
Yeah.
You do that one. Mmm. 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 Is that maple? No, that's cedar. Cedar's over here wanting some too.
Can you give us some?
Those are really good. They're not like as crisp as a potato chip. I mean, they're made out of meat. But they're not hard to chew like a beef jerky.
Yeah.
They're very good. I like the salt, the amount of salt. Hey, you get out of there. Sometimes snacks can be too salty for me, but the amount of salt on here is perfect. Mmm. What would you like to dip these into? Like cheese sauce. Okay, Cedar, you're causing problems here. Dip them into cheese sauce, dip them into salsa, guacamole.
Yep.
All of them? You want all of those things? What's your favorite dip?
All of them.
Just all of them. Okay. Are you ready to try the next one? Should we do, let's do the pork loin.
I love this.
Oh yeah, finish it. Ooh, pork loin. That's what it looks like in there. All right, so the pork loin Carnivore Crisps are very lean. These ones I noticed have a lot more fat, it seems like. So I think this is going to be like bacon almost with the amount of fat it has. Look at that. You want this one?
I want this.
Oh, you want to get your own. All right.
Whoa!
Show it to the camera. Whoa, look at all that fat on there. Yum, you ready to taste? 1, 2, 3, taste.
It's good.
Mm.
They're hard to lay on.
Oh, it tastes like prosciutto.
Yeah.
It really tastes like prosciutto to me.
Yeah.
It's got that, whatever that flavor is. It's really good.
What's this?
That's the fat. It's like bacon.
I want to eat it.
You should.
So yummy.
So yummy. These are good. I like these better than the sliders.
Yeah, and also...
And the sliders were good.
Yeah, but the fat is kind of like a bacon.
It's kind of like bacon. Yeah, that's right. Did you know that bacon comes from a pig too?
Yeah.
Excuse you. Get out of the food.
What are these?
These are New York strip steak.
I like this.
I think so.
Where were they?
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, New York, apparently.
Oh, okay, then you know it.
New York strip steak. All right. Ooh, look at all those strip steaks. Yum. Yum.
Oh, they look like bacon.
Whoa, they do. They look like beef bacon. Yum. Look at all that fat. What do you think of these?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
These are good.
Mine is broke.
New York strip is my favorite
Me too,
cut of
but-
steak.
What happened?
Oh, yeah.
Nom, 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 nom.
So my assessment of the three, they're all super good. My favorite is the pork loin. The flavor is just so delicious. It really does taste like crispy prosciutto. So good. So as far as the difference between these and the carnivore crisps, I feel like they started out a little thicker. So they're not as like paper thin crisp like a potato chip as the carnivore crisps. That means they're a little bit softer. Like when you bite, it's not as big of a crisp, but they're softer and like they say, they do melt in your mouth because there's a lot of fat and then they're a little bit thicker. If I wanted to do like dipping into guacamole or salsa or something, I think I'd probably go for the crisp carnivore crisps because they have that more chip-like-ness about them. Also, the pork loin of the carnivore crisps and the chicken breast of the carnivore crisps are lower fat. So if I'm like dipping into a fatty guacamole or cheese sauce or something like that, I would go for the leaner crisps. That's just my own personal preference. If I were to just be packing a meat snack just to eat plain, I would 100% choose the Carnivore Snax. And part of the reason for that is because at least the pork loin is higher fat. And then, like I said, it's got that thicker, it started out a little thicker, at least that's my guess. And it's a little bit softer. So as far as just eating plain, I think the Carnivore Snax are the way to go. Carnivore Snax do have some other varieties, of course, that we have not tried. They have like ribeye, leg of lamb. They have pork sliders, which I'm really interested in trying those now because I liked the flavor of the pork loin so much. But I love the, like the shape and everything of these. It's kind of a fun idea. So I'm excited to try the pork sliders at some point. And then they also have a lamb slider, which would be interesting as well. As far as price, I know that these are very spendy and they're definitely not in everyone's budget. If you really value the convenience and you need the snackiness. The Carnivore Snax are slightly cheaper than the Carnivore Crisps at, regular price. So that's something to keep in mind. It's not a huge difference. Where are you going? You want to get more? Okay. Which ones are you going to get? Oh, you want the sliders. That must be your favorite, right? Okay, here you go. So as far as price, Carnivore Snax are a little bit lower in price. I don't have a coupon code for the Carnivore Snax, but I just saw that Two Crazy Ketos had a review video of Carnivore Snax and they had a coupon code. So it was like 15% off. So if you're going to order and you want 15% off, definitely use their code. I'll just stick that down below so you guys can use that. What do you think of those?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You trying to do ASMR smacking video?
They crumbs on me.
You do have crumbs on you. Meat crumbs. One other thing that I'll mention about these is, like they say on here, they're 100% grass-fed and finished, and the beef is regeneratively raised, and that's something that I can definitely get behind. I love that. I want some more of these ones. These ones are good. I could just like go to town on a bag of these. Man. Yeah, these are 11 grams of fat, and these ones are only 3 grams of fat. So the pork loin is actually the fattiest. These ones are 6 grams of fat. So these, I'm surprised that the New York strip was the leanest, because I think of that as kind of a fattier cut of meat. But this pork loin, I mean, it's seriously like, it's like bacon as far as the amount of fat, but it doesn't taste like bacon. It actually tastes like crispy prosciutto. I say, if you're just gonna order one thing, make it the pork loin. So good. I also love that they use Redmond real salt.
A mustache.
You have a mustache?
Yeah.
Should we say thank you for watching to all of our YouTube friends?
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.